Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Suzanne with Susie's Handmade Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to knit a scarf using the knitting stitch. So grab your hook and some yarn and let's get started. We're using a size US 17, which is a 12mm. We're using some bulky yarn by Loops and Thread Charisma. So cast on 22. And when you get through with that, we're going to get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bring the yarn forward and do our first knit stitch. And we're going to go ahead and knit across the row. And for this scarf, we're going to need 2 skeins of this yarn. I believe that would be enough. And I'm using a multicolor, and it's called Woodberry. It's a pretty purple and turquoise color, if you'd like to get some for yourself. Okay, coming up on the end of the row. And it should look like this. Straighten your stitches out. Make sure you didn't skip any. Turn your work. Okay. We're going to go ahead and go back into that first stitch on the next row. Bring your yarn around through. Go ahead and pull that stitch off. Back through the front. Yarn around. And we're going to go ahead and knit across. And for this pattern, we're going to knit every row for, I would say, to make a scarf, you're going to knit about 100 rows. And when you feel like your scarf is as long as you would like, you're going to cast off, doing the bind off on each stitch on your last row. We'll do a few more rows together. So start to see your rows come together. It's a real pretty stitch. start to look like this. And this is how to knit a scarf. And every row should look just like this. If you have any questions, just leave them down in my comment box and I will be glad to help you. If you like this video, how about giving me a like? If you'd like to see more videos from me, how about subscribe to my channel? And I hope you have a great day.